Callus, CALLUS. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a thickened and hardened area of skin, typically caused by repeated friction or pressure. Sentence, the guitarist's fingertips developed calluses from hours of practice. Synonyms, corn, blister, thickening. Antonym, softness, sensitivity. Calorific, CALORIFIC. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, relating to or producing heat or energy. Sentence, the calorific value of the fuel determined its efficiency in generating power. Synonyms, heat generating, thermogenic, energetic. Antonym, cold, cooling. Calumny, CALUMNY. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, false and malicious statement or accusation intended to harm someone's reputation. Sentence, the politician vehemently denied the calumnies spread about him during the campaign. Synonyms, slander, defamation, libel, smear. Antonym, praise, commendation. Camaraderie, CAMARADERIE. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, mutual trust and friendship among people who spend time together. Sentence, the team's camaraderie was evident in their seamless collaboration. Synonyms, fellowship, companionship, solidarity. Antonym, animosity, hostility. CAMEO, CAMEO. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a small but significant role or appearance by a well-known person in a movie or play. Sentence, the award-winning actress made a cameo appearance in the film. Synonyms, guest appearance, brief role, walk-on. Antonym, starring role, lead role. Camp, CAMP. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a place where a group of people, especially scouts or soldiers, live temporarily. Sentence, the summer camp provided outdoor activities and adventure for children. Synonyms, encampment, base, outpost. Antonym, permanent residence. Canard, CANARD. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a false or baseless rumor or story. Sentence, the tabloid published a canard about the celebrity's secret marriage. Synonyms, hoax, fabrication, falsehood. Antonym, truth, fact. Candor, CANDOR. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, openness, honesty, and frankness in expressing one's thoughts or feelings. Sentence, she appreciated her friend's candor when giving constructive feedback. Synonyms, sincerity, truthfulness, straightforwardness. Antonym, dishonesty, deceit. Canine, CANINE. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, relating to or resembling a dog or dogs. Sentence, the veterinarian specializes in the treatment of canine diseases. Synonyms, dog-like, dog-related, doggy. Antonym, feline, feline-related. Canker, CANKER. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a persistent and spreading source of corruption or decay. Sentence, the canker of corruption had taken hold of the government. Synonyms, corruption, rot, decay, blight. Antonym, health, vitality. Canny, CANNY. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, shrewd, clever, and cautious in practical matters. Sentence, the canny investor knew when to buy and sell stocks for maximum profit. Synonyms, astute, savvy, prudent, sharp. Antonym, foolish, naive. Cant, CANT. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, hypocritical and sanctimonious talk or language. Sentence, his speech was filled with religious cant, but his actions contradicted his words. Synonyms, hypocrisy, sanctimoniousness, piousness. Antonym, sincerity, genuineness. Cantankerous, cantankerous. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, bad-tempered, quarrelsome, and uncooperative. Sentence, the cantankerous old man was known for his grumpy disposition. Synonyms, irritable, contentious, argumentative. Antonym, pleasant, agreeable. Cantata, cantata. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a musical composition for voices and instruments, typically religious in nature. Sentence, the choir rehearsed the cantata for the upcoming church service. Synonyms, choral composition, hymn, oratorio. Antonym, instrumental piece. Canter, canter. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to move or ride at a leisurely and smooth pace between a trot and a gallop. Sentence, the horse cantered gracefully around the riding arena. Synonyms, trot, gallop, lope. Antonym, stand still, halt.